Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Super Mario Bros. Wonder on PC. First, you'll need to download a Nintendo Switch emulator. Popular choices include Yuzu and Hujinx, both offering excellent performance. Visit their official websites to get the latest version. Make sure your computer has at least 8 GB of RAM and a decent processor for the best experience. Installation is straightforward. Just follow the prompts, and you'll be ready for the next step in about 2 minutes. Next, you'll need the Super Mario Bros. Wonder game file itself. These files are typically in formats like NSP or XCI. It's crucial to obtain these files legally, for example, from a game cartridge you own. Once you have the file, save it to a dedicated folder on your computer. This makes it simple to locate when you're ready to load it into your emulator. Always verify the file's integrity to prevent any issues during gameplay. Now let's configure your emulator for the best experience. Open Yuzu or Hujinx and point it to the folder where you saved your game file. You'll want to tweak the graphics settings. Often, a resolution scale of 100% works well for most systems. For controls, you can map your keyboard or connect a gamepad. Many players find a Pro controller or Xbox controller offers the most authentic feel, taking just a few moments to set up. Finally, it's time to launch Super Mario Bros. Wonder. Simply select the game from your emulator's library, and it should start right up. You'll be immersed in the colorful Flower Kingdom, ready to collect Wonder Flowers and explore new abilities. If you encounter any performance issues, try adjusting the resolution or disabling certain graphical enhancements. With a little fine-tuning, you'll be enjoying this fantastic adventure on your PC with smooth frame rates, typically around 60 frames per second.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.